Okay, so we have a sequence of 5 consecutive odd numbers. So whenever I have consecutive odd numbers, consecutive even numbers, whenever I have a question telling me that, I immediately the thing that I mean that clicks my mind is AP. So if it is an AP, I directly know that the middle term is the average. So A3 is bound to be the average here, right? Okay, so this is something I know. So there are 5 consecutive odd numbers, so do not forget that. So by 5 consecutive odd numbers, it means that simply the common difference will be 2, right? If you consider any set of consecutive odd numbers, so the common difference are always 2. And same with consecutive even numbers. Only in the case of consecutive integers, you'll have common difference of 1. Great. So we know that A3 is the average of this sequence. Fine. Now we are looking for a new sequence of 5 consecutive even numbers again, but this case even numbers. Again, common difference is still 2, ending with 2A3. Okay. Now the last number is 2A3. So the new set of numbers that we have, the last term is 2A3. Great. Now these are consecutive even numbers. So the common difference is plus 2. So let me indicate that also. So this is it. Okay, now the last information, and this is the crucial one, I believe. It says the sum of the numbers in the new sequence is 450. So this is where the average comes in handy. So because there are 5 numbers and the average is, sum is 450, then the average of 5 numbers has to be 450 by 5, which is 90, right? Now, since the average is 90, that should be the middle number in this case. So the new sequence, this is the new sequence. Let me write that down. I hope you don't mess that up. So the new sequence is an average of 90, right? And since the common difference is 2, so this number is 92 and this is 94, right? So the 2A3 is 94, telling us that A3 is 47, half of it, isn't it? Now this was the original sequence. So this is the original sequence. And what are we looking for? A5. So A5 is the last term here. Again, this sequence is consecutive odd numbers, so still a common difference of plus 2. So this is 47, this is 49, this is 51, right? So the A5 is 51. That is the answer here. So I hope you understand that if you work with averages in AP and all, this becomes a very fast problem. Hardly took me 20 to 25 seconds to solve this particular problem, including the reading time, I'm saying. So as I'm reading, I don't have to explain it to somebody, right? I can locate that, yeah, A3 is the average. When I'm looking at the even numbers, 2A3 ending, okay, I don't need to work with that as of now. Sum of numbers is 450. So as soon as I read that, I get that, okay, so 90 is the middle term here. So you add 2 twice to get this 94. So that is 2A3. So A3 is 47. And again, adding 4 to that will result in A5. So becomes very easy to solve if you understand these ideas. So average of an AP series is either the average of the first term and last term or the average of the middle term. Always remember that. Lot of different AP problems you can use this idea. So that's it for this problem. Ideal time to solve this, even if you take 1 to 1.5 minutes, that is fine. But then you should be able to solve this problem with in less than 1 minute if you understand these ideas. So that's it for this problem. Thank you.